In this video, we're heading over to Durango Casino playing all chicken slot machines to see if they are chicken ass tight. Let's see how we do. Alright everybody, so this is gonna be a whole chicken episode. Slot machines that are all chickens, right?
They got loose chickens over here.
So this gentleman had something to say.
I would say it feels night and day different from the strip. Like, the strip felt like we were just like on an endless streak. Over here, there's activity. Every single game is making noise. It's paying line pays.
People are screaming.
It's giving bonuses. People are screaming. You can hear like happiness here. This is a happier place. I like both of these.
It's our Disneyland. Guess where we're at? We're at Durango. We're here to spend our unlucky $50 to see if we get a bonus with the new player's card. He's gonna tap the buttons again.
I don't know. Like so far, station casinos, we've only done $50 insertions. They've all paid out.
Yeah, it's been well. Let's go see how this place is. $50 unlucky bills, new player's card.
New player's card.
Let's see how we do. See this chicken right here? I wonder if they're chicken ass tight. We have his lucky first player's card in there. He's gonna be pressing the buttons. I'm gonna change the denomination, or we have $100 in there. Are you ready? We see lucky cigarettes. Someone was playing here, so we're gonna win. Here we go. Chicken ass tight. Go for it.
Oh, win.
Ooh, we want the free spins.
You gotta touch the chickens for good luck.
Yeah, that's what she said. Wilds. All right. Wait, hold on.
Oh.
Wilds. Okay. So we get free games if we do this. If we get this, we get the games. Do it. Yeah. Here we go. What did we get? I have no idea, bro.
This is a crazy game.
What do we get? Hey! Dude, we just won $29. Hit cash out to the next game. Hit cash out. It's his fingers.
That's a hit cash out.
Hey! Lucky bear. Boom! Alright, we're good. Everybody online is gonna say, no backup spin? Nah, we're not doing backup spin.
That's a hit cash out.
We're good. Good job, buddy. Next machine. Looks like we're doing a chicken episode because these are not chicken ass tight.
It's not chicken ass tight.
Does he make noise? No. Oh! Smacked.
You gotta finger it the right way.
All right, so we got the $121 in there. He's gonna tap the buttons. Go for it. See what happens. Hopefully we can burst one of these things. $2 denom. $1.50 bet.
What are we going for here?
We're going to try to get some eggs, let it burst those things for a free game. It might take a while. We just gotta be patient, I guess. Like that. So it's gotta get more eggs. Keep shooting up.
Ooh. What's that?
Jackpots award. That's a jackpot feature. So these are different features. There's instant win feature, jackpots, and multipliers. So we're trying to get the bonus round right now. This is called Crazy Chickens. Oh, almost. Your lucky finger's not working, bro. Oh! Thank you.
730.
Yes. That's good line pay.
Give us some eggs.
Maybe we gotta change denomination. Let's change denom, go to 1 cent and $1.50. You'd get it only if the jackpot or the thing burst.
Yeah.
We gotta get the chickens to do something here.
Another $20.
Kings! Oh, snaps. Is this a good line pay? How much we win?
It's doing that.
Yeah.
Press it?
Yeah. $15. Snaps. Cool.
What if we got all kings?
That would have been good. Oh, no? Oh.
Burst it.
All right, let's try some of this. Let's try some of the 5 cent denom, which is a 375 bet. Here we go.
Burst.
I say play it down to 60 and we'll jump to something else. Oh! Unless we get a good jackpot right now. Dang! That's all wild. That's wild, wild. Dang! Winner, winner, chicken dinner! Oh, cash out?
This is like too exciting to press.
Yeah, let's just let it go. I'm gonna take it short with this. We're still going. Still going. That's a good win. It's probably better than a bonus round. Look at all that. Non-stop. Damn, he gets out. It's his fingers.
Man,
He's
I've been telling them for years. Magical.
Cash out.
Now finally people will believe me.
It's the fingers. Another chicken game. Here we go. Lion Link. We have
Chicken wing.
the 173 in there. We're gonna go 5 cent denom, $2 bets. Ah, you gotta press the button, bro. Go for it.
Chicken wing. Damn, 2 chickens.
Ooh. Drop some balls.
Oh.
We need 6 of those, just like last time. Don't be chicken ass tight.
How many of those do we need?
Oh, those are just are they wilds? I'm not sure if they're wilds. Or we need 3 of those. Sometimes that chicken shakes and drops some balls. It's gotta mature. The chicken's gotta mature for the balls to drop, and then it'll be okay. Nice. Balls, balls, balls. Ah. Here we go. One more. Oh, drop one. Drop. Oh.
5. Oh, it's starting to
Shake, rattle, and roll. Here we go. Balls. Oh, 5 again. Drop it.
Man.
Come on, magic fingers. I'm counting on you. Drop it.
5 again.
I know. 5 a lot. That's a term that Reyna and I use. There's 5 a lot. Balls. Oh, it's shaking. All right, and a good line pay. Come on, cock. Drop your balls. Here we go. One more. Yeah! Yeah! It's his fingers. It's his fingers. He's got spirit fingers. Okay, here we go, everybody. Station Casinos has been very well to us. Here we go. Big balls. Drop the big balls. Big balls. Save it. Don't just give us that. Save it. Yeah. 3 more. How about some bigger balls? Bigger balls. Fill it all the way up to the grand. One spin left. Here we go. Save it. Yes. Last spin. Save it. Ah, here we go. Dude, the sound system is pretty good in this, huh? Nice. Nice. It's $35. Boom. 172. We're cashing out. Nice. Spirit fingers for the win. Right? 3 chicken games. They're not chicken ass tight. That's 3 for 3 here at Station Casino.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we came to an agreement that we're leaving with the win.
With the win.
Living with the win. So we invested $100 and we're cashing out 172 at Durango Station Casino.
The feeling here is not even similar. Like when you leave the Strip or Fremont Street, you leave like, damn. Here, it's you stay up. Like you stay like you're having a good time because you're not like just getting beat over the head all the time.
Yeah.
And they have subwoofers in their sound system. So it shakes.
Yeah. It's a good win.